You define me, my potential inside. Today I faced with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Everyone rub your hands. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Okay, Jasna has to tell me yesterday what things I taught you. You have to show me with you have to count whatever thing I taught you, and you have to count.
Emotions. Sad. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Sad.
Yes.
Smiling.
Okay.
Crying.
No, parents, you don't have to tell. Jasna has to tell me only. No. I don't need this thing about from the parents. Jasna only has to reply me back.
English.
Okay. It's okay. I will let you know. Okay. I saw about the emotion first. 4 type of emotion I showed you yesterday. Am I right? And letter B, the object. 1 neurons. Am I right? Yes. And how to write letter B? The sound and what? And rhymes. Am I right? Yes, Jasna? Yes, Kaushik? Yes, very good. Okay. So today also we do a recap about that. Okay? Yes? First we do a recap, then we go with the our session. Okay? Okay. Tell me, did you remember that little baby don't be sad rhymes? Anyone remember that? Who will remember that? Who will remember that? No one? Kaushik, did you remember? Can you sing with me? Kaushik. Little baby.
Master sing.
Say? No. What about you, Jasna?
Little baby.
Little baby.
Don't be.
Crying.
Okay. Satvik, did you remember this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so then sing.
Padmari.
Okay, no issue. Tell, I will sing. Then you have to sing with me, okay? Who is he? Who is he? Baby. What I say yesterday rhymes? Little baby, don't be cry. Don't be cry. Don't be cry. Little baby, don't be cry. Cry, come give me a hug. Little baby, don't be cry. Don't be cry. Don't be cry. Little baby, don't be cry. Come give me a hug. Little baby, don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Little baby, don't be sad. Come give me a smile. Little baby, don't be sad, don't be sad, don't be sad. Little baby, don't be sad, come give me a smile. Yes. Okay, tell me now what emoji is this?
Crying.
What emoji is this?
Kind.
Crying, very good. And what this? Sad. What is this? Smile. And who is she? Little baby, don't be cry, don't be cry, don't be cry. Little baby, don't be cry, come give me a hand. Little baby, don't be sad, don't be sad, don't be sad. Little baby, don't be sad, come give me a smile. Okay, I will ask you one question. Okay, when I give you a star, then what face you show me? When I give you a star, then what face you have to show me? What face you have to show me? Kaushik, tell me. What face you have to show me? Smiley. Wow, Jasna, very good. And if I don't give this pouch to you, then what you have to show me? If you want this pouch and I don't want to give you, then what do you have to show me? What face? Sad face. Very good. If your father give you chocolate, then what face has to you have to show to your father? If father give you chocolate, then what face you have to show to your father? Smiley. Anna? Yes? If your mother don't give you food, then what you have to do? Angry or sad? Sad. Okay, sometimes sad, sometimes angry. Okay, no issue. Okay. Now you tell me. Now, who will tell me? Satvik. Satvik,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to go out and your mother can't bring you to go out. Then what face you have to show to your mother?
నిన్ను బజార్ తీసుకెళ్ళేదనుకో అప్పుడు నువ్వేం చేస్తావు కదా వచ్చి పంపిస్తావు
Show me your face with the action. Oh, wow, very good. Now Jasna also show me the face of Smiley.
Crying.
Oh, this is crying face. Kaushik, can you show me angry face?
Angry face. Angry face.
What is the angry face? Oh, nice angry face. Very nice. Sorry. Vishwan, can you please show me sad face?
Angry face. Those in
Sad face. Oh. When I see the sad face, I can't able to. Yeah, show me your sad face. See, it's It's really so cute. So cute, so cute. Very nice, very nice. Satvik already shows to me. Okay, very nice. Everyone keep it a big rocket clap. Boom. Okay, Harshit, can you show me your happy face? With action. See, Kaushik shows to us crying face. A very nice crying face. Very nice emotion, Satvik, Harshit. Very nice. Big rocket clap to you. Yay. Yay. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yesterday I taught you, na? What is this? What letter is this?
B.
B. How many curves or line we have in this B? One standing line, two curved lines. To complete the letter B. Am I right? One standing line, two curved lines. I will show you some pictures. Okay, tell me, yesterday, what object I tell you about the bee? What object I tell you about the bee?
Book.
Book. Very good. And another one? I see big letter B. I see big letter B. It comes in boat and books. It comes in boat and books. One standing line, two curved line. It's look like that. It's look like that. I see big letter B. I see big letter B. It comes in boats and books. It comes in boats and books. One standing line, two curved line. It's look like that. It's look like that. B for ball. Ball. Boom. B. Balloon. Very good. What is the sound of B?
What is the sound?
Everyone go and mute. When I ask you, then you have to say it. Okay? What I told you yesterday, B for book. B for balloon. B for boat. Okay. Now today one new words. B for what is this?
Box.
B for box. B for what is this?
B is a good thing. What?
B.
B.
B for bat. Bat. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball. To the park to play. B for balloon. Very
Balloon.
good. B for bear. Bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Turn around. That bear is done. B for bear.
Bat.
I see big letter B. I see big letter B. It comes and book and books. It comes and books and books. One standing line, two curved line. It look like that. It look like that. Okay. Jasna, tell me the sound of B.
B is sounded.
Bat boy.
Okay. You have to go in your area and find any object who will start with a B.
Oh, B is
I'm telling only Jasna, not others. Jasna has to run and go take any object. Start the letter with a B. Book. Parents don't give a help, okay? Kids has to find that. What is this, Jasna? Go and unmute and tell me.
Adenna Sulu. What's that?
Single.
What is this? What is this?
What is this, Jasna? Tell me with the sound.
Balloon.
Balloon katla. What is this? Book. Every song.
Balloon. Very good. Very good. A big rocket clap for Jasna. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, Nishwant has to run and find any B object. The start letter with the B. Go, go, go. Find what is that. Show me. You also find the B. Oh, okay. Book, 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 book. What is this, Nishwant? Tell me.
Bat book.
Book. Very good. Very good. Now it's classic time. A big rocket clap for Nishwant. Yay! Ball. Oh, wow. Nice object, huh? Very nice. What is that?
What is that, Keller, ma'am?
With the
What is
sound.
that,
Can you please tell me with the sound?
Ma'am, the crane wheel.
Ball.
The Madri?
Very good. A big rocket clap to Kaushik. See, Jasna take a bear. Huh? Very nice bear.
Bat.
Bear. Bear. Now, Satvik, you have it all. You have to go and find out the B object. Sound with letter B and start with the letter B.
First.
What is that? A small ball. Very good. A ball. What is the sound of B? Ball. Very good. A big rocket clap to Satvik. Yay, 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 yay. Now, Harshit, your turn. Come. Switch on your camera, Harshit. Go and find the B object.
B etra, ball etra po. Yadonji, ball yadonji. Po etra ball etra po. Adunda chuda adukunda chuda ball po etra po. Rei, ma'am adiyar chudu. Oi.
Harshit, show me any ball, bat. What you have? Show me.
Em pettindavu. Em tundai kanna? Ball etra. He throw
It
away
was very
ball.
nice, kid. But what? Yeah, show me, Harshit.
Harshit.
Harshit, show me. Oh, you are having biscuit. B for biscuits. Very nice. You have to search another B. Not now. After the class and then you have to search any B object. Okay. At home, like B for ball, B for bag, B for bottle. So many objects are there in our house. To start with letter B. You have to find it and you have to say to your parents with the sound. Okay. Sometimes you can also have start with the letter B like biscuit, banana. You eat that one, then you have to say the sound. Banana. Biscuit. If you wear the bag, you have to repeat the sounds. Okay, kids? Okay? When you know the sound properly, then you tell the sounds. With the sounds, you can spell the spellings. Okay? Yes?
Say yes, ma'am.
Show me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now, so you take your workbook, everyone.
Da. Da karna.
Everyone open your workbook. Everyone open your workbook. Oh, workbook number is that D12MT. 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 See. Counting number is 1. There was a teddy bear. D12MT. D12MT. If you open it, show me, please. Anyone show me how I am know to you open that. Yeah, everyone open that. Now, what about you, Jasna? Did you find that? Yeah. Very nice. What we have to do, count the number to the toy and color them and trace them. Number 1. How many objects are in one seat?
2.
How many objects are there in one seat? How many toys are there?
One
One teddy bear. We have only one teddy bear. How to write one?
Oh, Papa, one Kurkura.
How to write one? One. Come up and come down.
Very good.
You have to write like this. Standing line, like a standing line.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர் நல்லா ஒழுங்கா போடு மேல இருந்து ஒழுங்கா போடு
Don't trace it now. You have to first color your teddy bear. You don't color it now. See how I show to you how to color the teddy bear. What is the color of teddy bear?
ரெடி பேர்
Pink color.
வெரி குட் ஒழுங்கா போடு சூப்பர் இப்போ மேம் டெடி பியர் பிரவுன் கலர்ல அடிக்க சொல்றாங்க சரிடா
Yeah, this color like this.
Brown color பிடிக்குதா?
இந்தாடா நீ பிரவுன் கலர்ல டெடி பியர் கலெக்ட் பண்ற இங்கல கலர் ரெடி 1 போட்டு கலர் 1 இது கோட் போட்டு ஃபுல்லா அது மேல எல்லாம் போட கூடாது இங்க இருந்து இதுக்குள்ள தான் போடணும்
See, I am doing like this. You have to also do like this.
மேம் எப்படி கலர் அடிக்கிறாங்க இது காதுல இங்க கலர் அடிக்காம இது சுத்தி கலர் அடிக்கிறாங்க அது வாயில இல்ல கண்ணு இப்படி அடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காதடி அது உள்ள போக கூடாது அது உள்ள போகாம அடிக்கணும் வெரி குட் உள்ள போகாம கலர் அடி அந்த கலர் கையில கலர் அடி இந்த காது கலர் அடி உள்ள போக கூடாது சொன்னல அம்மா
Okay, don't do it now, kids. If you are coloring, don't do it now. Just stop the coloring. Just stop the coloring part. Your coloring do at home after the class. Okay, don't stop the coloring. Now you have to trace the number only. Any 3 number you have to trace it. Okay.
பொறுமையா கலர் அடிக்கணும் இதுல உள்ள போகணும்னா இந்த இடத்துலலாம்
You have to trace the number 1. Any 3 number you only have to trace.
அது அப்புறம் பொறுமையா
Just 3 row only you have to trace number 1. Others, after the coloring at home, then you have to trace number 1.
அடி பொறுமையா சொன்னேன் அம்மா பொறுமையா அடி போதும் இப்ப நோட்ல 1 எழுதுமா இந்த நோட்ல அதுல எழுதிட்டீங்களே பாப்பா
What was today, Kanna? What?
Completed the 3 row of tracing the number 1. Don't color it now, kids. Kaushik is completed full. Okay, coloring part you have to do at home. Okay, everyone, coloring part do at home. Very nice, Satvik. Yeah, coloring part you have to do at home only. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, Jasna, nice. Coloring part do at home. Don't do the coloring, Nishwant. Okay. Listen, kids, here. What number is this? What number is this?
1.
1. How to write 1? From up to
Dum 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 dum.
down.
No.
Up to down. Sorry.
Ayo. I see the snowman. I
Down.
see the snowman. I see the snowman. Man. I see the snowman.
I see big letter B. I see big letter B. It comes and goes and goes. It comes and goes and goes. One standing line, two curved lines. Look like that. See, one standing line this. We use this one standing line. Wait. One standing line, two curved lines. It's look like that. Look like that. I see big letter B. I see big letter B. Comes and goes and goes. It comes and goes and goes. One standing line, two curved line. It's look like that. It's look like that. Everyone knows the sound of B. Ba, ba,
What is the sound of B?
B.
Ba, 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 so.
Ba, B. Okay? Now we have to play a game. What is an okay? We have to play a game. Why we are playing a game today? Because you have to develop your personality development game we are playing today. Okay, in this personality development game you have to bring a ball, a big ball like this. Bring a ball, everyone. Go and bring your ball. Ball. Bring everyone ball. Yes. Satvik got a ball. Okay. What about the others? Bring your ball. Bring your ball. Bring your ball. Yes. Everyone got the balls. Okay. Show me ball like this. If you have it, show me. Harshit, you also take your ball and switch on your camera. Do you know, kids, why I tell you to bring your ball? Why today I am playing this personality development game? Did you know? Because somehow the kids who doesn't kick the ball in one time, some of the kids who doesn't catch the ball in one time. Okay, for catching power means we have to catch properly. We have to kick very well. For that, we are playing this for the personality development. Before playing, I will show you some pictures about that. Okay. Wait. I showed you some picture, then we play the game. Then we all you become of the winner. Jasna has a pink football. Okay. Okay. You have to kick the ball like this. Okay. Your mama will be give you the ball. Your mama will be throw the ball like this, and you have to catch. You have to catch your ball in one time. Okay, your mama will be very far and your mama will be throw a ball like this, and you have to catch the ball. Then you have to jump. You have to jump. You have to keep your balls right. Then you have to jump and clap the finger. Clap the fingers one time only. Okay, you have to jump one time. Then you have to clap your finger, clap your hand one time. Then you have to walk. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and 5 step. Then you have to walk back. That 5 step you have to go back. Walk backwards. Then you have to do dance. Then you have to laugh like this kid. Okay? Shall we start then, kids? You ready to do this? Parents? Yeah. Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. Give it to the ball to the your mama or papa. Who are there? So everyone stand up. Go back. Little bit. Go back. Little bit. Go back. Everyone. Yeah. Ma'am, you also take a distance to your kids. When I play the song, then you have to throw the. When I say throw, your mama has to throw the ball. When I say catch, you have to catch very fast. Okay? When your mama throw the ball, you have to catch. Okay? When I say dance, you have to dance. Okay? Fine? Just a second, kids. Okay. Wait, give it to your ball to your mama. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Your mama has to throw the ball. Catch it. Again, give it to your mama. Catch it. Give it to your mama. Catch it. Give it to your mama. Catch. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Again, catch it. Catch it. Fast. Catch it. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. I told you kick the ball. How to kick the ball? You have to kick with your feet. Kick the ball. Yes. Very good, Kaushik. Kick the ball. Kick. Kick the ball. Again, kick the ball. Kick the ball and throw it. Kick the ball and throw it. Nishwant, kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Nishwant, kick the ball. Nishwant, kick the ball. Yes, very good. Jump and clap. Jump and clap. Leave your ball and jump and clap. Jump, clap. Jump, clap. Jump, clap. Jump, clap. Do 2-3 times. Jump and clap. Jump and clap. Jump and clap. Yeah. Jump and clap. Yes. Now, walk. Walk 4 step. Walk, 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 walk. Backward. Backwards. Go back, go back. Go back. Yes, go back, go back. Go back, go back, go back. Go back. Turn front, walk. Walk the front and go back. Walk, walk. Go back. Go back. Dance. Do dance pad. Yay. Do dance. Do dance. Do. Yes. Laugh. Everyone laugh fast. Laugh. 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 Wow, how nice. What about Kaushik? Kaushik, what about you? Laugh. If you feel tired, drink water. If you feel tired, drink water. Drink water. What happened, Jasna? Why you show to me a sad face? Little baby, don't be sad, don't be sad, don't be sad. Come give me a hug. Little Jasna, don't be sad, don't be sad, don't be sad. Little Jasna, go, don't be sad. Go give it to your mama hug. Go, 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 go. Give it to your mama hug. Oh, how the smile backside is he smiling, huh? Oh, show me your teeth. How many teeth do you have? Jasna. Show to me your teeth. Show me your teeth. E. Oh, wow. Okay, everyone drank water. Everyone drank water. At least you have to say me yes. You have to reply me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes. Yes. Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now what you have to do? Bring show me any one object. Any one object. Show to me any one object. Okay, one water bottle. How many objects you have? Something now in your hand.
Any water bottle is nature.
How many objects? No object. I'm asking object. Like I have only one book.
I have.
I have like, only one notebook.
What is?
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. One water bottle and one water.
Now, Nishwant, you can show me how any one object. If you have one book or pencil, show to me. Ring, yeah. How many ball you have? Nishwant. Nishwant. Nishwant, where are you went? Okay. How many umbrella you have, Kaushik? How many umbrella you have in one in your hand? One or two? One umbrella. You have only one object in your hand. Just now, what about you? Only one object. Dasha, show me only one object. Okay, one teddy bear. Okay, what about Harshit? Harshit, make a hot. What he is doing? He is doing, I don't know. Harshit, what are you doing? Okay. Now I asked you some colors. Okay, you have to tell me what color is that. What color is this kid, Jasna?
color.
Jasna, tell me what color is this? Yellow. I asked Jasna. Okay, no issue. Okay, what color is this, Satvik? Blue. Very good. What color is this, Nishwant? Green color. Very good. Okay, Jasna, tell me what color is this? Black color. What happened, Jasna? Why you are not telling me? I'm asking Jasna only. What color is this, Jasna?
What color is it? What color is that? What color is that?
Tell me fast. Red color. Okay, Harshit, what color is this? Pink. Harshit, tell me. Harshit, tell me. Pink color. Okay, what color is this? Green color. What is this? Blue color. Very good. Good. Everyone skip it up. Very nice. A big rocket clap. Yay. Very nice. Very nice, kids. Very nice. You have to send me your picture with the emotion face like this. You have to click your picture and send it to me. Okay, kids? Okay? Okay. What about the parents? Did you color this? You have to color this seat. So Monday activity.
Ma'am, can you
Have
WhatsApp
to
the
color
sheet
the
also?
seat.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you send WhatsApp the sheet?
Ma'am, you don't have the seat.
No, I
I
have
will
this.
send. I will send. No issue. I will send that too. But you have to color the seat like this.
Okay. Same colors, or we can use
Another color, it's same color. Okay, no issue. Another color also you can't. You have to color. No issue, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. You colored. Okay. It
Ma'am,
was
we
nice.
have to color or the kids have to color?
Give it to the kids, but if scribble, it's not good, na. Right.
Okay.
In front of you, give and give an instruction. Don't color. Do outside.
Okay. Okay.
In front of you can give to the kids also, but with you have to give a help to the kids. Like,
Okay. Okay. Ma'am.
and everyone download that app, Kidsy Imagine.
Yes, ma'am. We can download it.
Any doubt about that app?
ఏంటి మిస్ ఇప్పుడు బాయ్ చెప్పేసి
You have any doubt about that app? Very nice. Any doubt about that the app? How to use that app? If any doubt, you can ask me. You have to click the nursery part. Don't go with another one. You have to click the nursery only. And that picture, what I shows you, you have to click that only. Not today you have to do. You have to do at Monday itself. I will only inform you.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
Okay. Everyone be colored and ready for the Monday activity. We have an activity on Monday. So everyone colored that seat and send it to in our WhatsApp group. Colored and send it to in our WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, what is the use of that app? Imagine.
Yes, sir. I could not able to.
I'm asking what is the use of that app? Imagine.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, sir.
I'm asking like what is the use of that app? Imagine, right? You told, right? Like.
Imagine that.
Yeah, what is the use?
Seat I showed to you now, sir.
Yeah.
It's a 3D effect app. It was there. When we scan this picture, the picture is moving, sir. This is the use of that app. If you use that app, you can show that one. That's why I told you. If you have a doubt, just open in my just go open that app and click the nursery part.
Okay.
Click the nursery part, and there was an option you have to scan it.
Okay.
Don't go LKG, nursery or play group. You have to click only nursery.
Okay, madam. Will do. Thank you.
And everyone color that seat and send it to me. That seat photo in our WhatsApp group. Thank you, parents. Bye, kids. It's time to say bye.
చెప్పాడు మ్యామ్ బాయ్
Bye.
బాయ్
If any doubt, please send any doubt. Please give me a message in our WhatsApp group.
ఓకే మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that sheet with kid photo, we should send with kid photo.
Yeah, you have to color and send it to me.
With
In
kid.
WhatsApp group.
With kid.
Yeah, in WhatsApp group itself.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, Satvik. Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends.
Bye. Bye, friends. Already went, kids. Already your friend went. Okay, bye.